It's Naturally Cookie here, coming to you with a black rice water recipe. You can use this as a pre-poo, a leave-in, or a daily moisturizer. But be careful, because if your hair is protein sensitive, then you may want to do 1/3 rice water with 2/3 aloe vera juice. And you know your girl is extra, so I put way more ingredients than just black rice water in this recipe. Let's get into this video. Okay, this is my jar that I got from Family Dollar that I'm going to let my rice water ferment in. So I'm going to start by putting my rice, my black rice, into the bowl. Next, I'm going to put some amla, and I have the whole amla. I'm going to put a few of those in there. Next, I'm going to put my fenugreek powder. I'm going to put about 2 nice full teaspoons. In this bag here, I have my leftover shea powder. I'm going to put 1 teaspoon, which is probably the rest of what's in this bag. One teaspoon of shea powder. Here I have is henna. I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of henna. One teaspoon of henna. In this jar here, I have this aloe vera powder. I'm going to put 2 teaspoons of aloe vera powder. I have marshmallow powder. I'm going to put 1 teaspoon. Here I have some rosemary. I'm going to put about 3 teaspoons of rosemary. Let's go ahead and make that 4. moringa. I'm going to put about 4 teaspoons as well. Next is some orange peels. I ordered a bag of orange peels off of Amazon, and I'm going to put about 5 teaspoons. Make that just 3. Then I have some vitamin C. I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of vitamin C in its raw crystal form. Vitamin C. I have some Lipton pure green tea bags. I'm going to put 2 whole tea bags in here, and I'm going to open the tea bags up. Now I'm going to add my water. I just have 3 bottles of purified drinking water. You do not have to put everything that I'm putting in mine in yours. This is just what I put in my rice water. It's 2 full bottles. The last thing that I'm going to do is put in about 10 drops of peppermint oil. And about 10 drops of lavender. I'm going to take my spoon, give all of this a good stir. Actually, I'm just going to put the top on this and stir this up. Let's see here. Shake it up. Top this on, give that a good shake.
Right up in there. Alright. You're looking for the video.
I am.
Hey YouTube.
Get out my video, Javon, my battery out. Alright, you guys, so I'm going to shake that up. And this is how my mixture is looking. And I'm going to let this sit and ferment for about 2 weeks in a dark, cool place. We shall be back so you guys can see how this turned out.
2 weeks later.
Alright you guys, this is Naturally Cookie coming back to you with the continuance of my rice water video. To be honest you guys, it has been 2.5 weeks. If you hear noise in the background, I apologize. It's my pit bulls and Chica is getting on my nerves right now. She's a little mad at me, but she will be alright. Okay, so this is how my rice water is looking now after 2.5 weeks. I do come and shake it up every day. And this is how it looks. I am going to go ahead and put my nut milk bag into this pot. And I'm going to pour the mixture inside of the bag and strain all of the herbs and the orange peels and everything out of it. I must say now, you guys, the longer you let this ferment, the worse the smell can be. It doesn't smell nowhere near as worse as it could be due to the fact of the orange peels and all of my other Ayurvedic herbs that I put in here. Now my hair is a little protein sensitive, so what I'm going to do is add 1 part of aloe vera juice to this once I get it all strained out. I'm going to add some more peppermint and lavender oil. Now, the stuff that is remaining inside of this nut bag, you can put this in a blender and blend it. Add some coconut milk to it, and this will be a lovely deep conditioner. That's what I'm left with after straining. This is how my mixture is looking. Alright, I am going to clean off my hands here. Wipe off my working area. Alright, so now I'm going to add I'm going to transfer it into the jar that I plan on keeping it in. That way I know exactly how much aloe vera juice to add. Okay, this is the aloe vera juice that I use, and I'm going to fill that up to the top. Alright, now I'm going to add, once again, like I stated, some more peppermint oil. I'm going to do about 3 droppers. Some lavender oil. I'm going to do another 3 droppers. And the type of peppermint and lavender oil I use are these 2 brands here. And here you have it, you guys. This is my rice water recipe. Now I will stir this in the refrigerator for up to a month. I will put what I need inside of a spray bottle to spray my hair. I would use this as a leave-in, a pre-poo. Depends on how sensitive your hair is to protein. I would probably put half of this mixture, fill up my spray bottle with half, and add more aloe vera juice to mine due to, like I said, my hair is protein sensitive. I do have to put protein in my hair, but I can't use too much protein or else my hair will get very brittle and it will dry out and start to break off due to protein overload. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please stay tuned for my next video. And once again, you guys, this is Naturally Cooking. Please share this video with your family and friends. Make sure to thumbs up this video if you like the content. Until next time, everybody stay safe and stay blessed.